In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly clear up space in Outlook and prevent that pesky storage full notification from ruining your day. Let's dive right in and get your email space optimized. First off, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook on your browser or the app, whichever you prefer. You can find Outlook by searching from your preferred browser or through the Microsoft Office suite if you have it installed on your computer. Once you have Outlook up and running, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click it and use your email address and password to log into your account. This simple step gets you access to all the features within Outlook which you'll need to navigate for this task. Once logged in, your next move is to click on the settings icon, also located on the top right of your screen. This icon typically looks like a small gear and gives you access to various configurations within Outlook. By clicking this, you'll open up a drop-down menu where you need to select the View All Outlook Settings option, or a similar option that allows you to dive into deeper settings. In the settings window, you'll want to focus on the left pane and click on Account. Here is where most of the magic happens when it comes to optimizing your Outlook storage. Once in the account settings, go ahead and click on Storage. This section reveals how your email data is being utilized and where space might be unnecessarily taken up. Under the storage details, you'll want to drill down further by selecting email storage. At this point, you should start identifying which categories are hogging your space. Often junk emails, deleted items, or sent messages can accumulate unchecked over time. For instance, let's say your junk email folder is brimming with unwanted messages. Now's the time to clean it up. Click on the folder you want to manage, select all messages, and then click the delete icon. By doing this, you're making significant space improvements. Now let's tackle the final part. After you've dealt with those bulky folders, take a moment to select all at the top, which typically allows you to review all selected emails or folders that you've chosen for deletion. Make sure you've checked everything you want to clear out and then hit OK to confirm your choices. And voila, you've just created more room in your Outlook account, keeping your inbox running smoothly and efficiently. By following these steps, you not only secure extra storage space, but also prevent future notifications about being full. Remember, regular maintenance of your email folders can save you more than just space. It saves time and keeps your email organized. Thanks for watching.